And listen, we don't have to do drugs. We can do deep breath, and it gets you higher than you high. So after 3, we take a deep breath to celebrate the breath that we are breathing. 1, 2, 3. Can we do that again? 1, 2, 3. Be careful, I think I'm older than most of you, all of you here. If you notice, the breath that you breathe has a lot of elements in it. Oxygen is one of the primary ones, nitrogen and hydrogen. And your lungs is that filter, which extract what it needs and exhale. The carbon dioxide that you exhale, the tree uses it to manufacture oxygen. I'll come back for some tonight. We all breathe the same breath. Not just human beings now, but the plants and the animals as well. And so, we're going to do the final solid, liquid and gas, past, present and future, mother, father, children, land, sea and air, protons, neutrons and electrons. And so we are going to take the last breath, and then we are ready. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. I'm feeling high. How about you? Can you imagine you do this for 1.5 hours? You'll be like floating, transcendental. And so we don't have to do drugs. Just breathe the natural air. You're not in problem with the police, no, your health. You just get healthy. And so the best things in life are sometimes free. This is called essence of life. Watch me, learn from me. I'll be watching you, and I'll be learning from you as well. And so we'll be caring and sharing. That's what life is about. What is life about? Caring and sharing. Let us repeat that for reinforcement. Life is about caring and sharing. Life is about